Hello everyone, here in this script demonstrates how to create a chatbot application that can retrieve answers to user queries from the content of websites. It uses a retrieval pipeline with modern AI tools. Here the next we can import the required libraries. Here the OS and Pickle for file operations and serialization. Request can be used to fetch web page content via HTTP request, and the beautiful soap to scrap and extract text from the HTML content. Streamlit for creating an interactive web application, and .env to securely load sensitive API keys and environment variables. LangChain libraries for implementing the RAG pipeline using language models, appendings, and vector search tools. Here next we can load the environment variables. Securely load the API key from the ChatGrok LLM from a .env file. Avoid hard coding sensitive data directly in the script. The next step is to create a main title for the web app and the sidebar title for the additional inputs. Why we can use Streamlit is because it is simple Python based framework for interactive UI development. The next step is the text area, which can take comma separated website URLs as input. Button initiates the crawling process. File path defines the file name for saving the vectorized data. Empty placeholder for dynamically displaying the outputs. The next step is to initialize the chat grok. Instantiates the chat grok language model with specific parameters like temperature and API key. Model for high quality for text generation. Next, we have to do crawling and scraping the websites. So here the purpose is to retrieve and parse text content from the provided URLs. There are several steps included in it. Send an HTTP GET request, parse HTML using Beautiful Soup, extract and aggregate the website text. The next we have to do process and crawled data. Here we can do break large text into manageable chunks for efficient appending, convert text chunks into dense numerical representation using a pre-trained Hugging Face model, and vector store stores the appendings in an index for fast similarity based retrieval. Serialization saves the index using Pickle for later use. Next is the query input, allows user to ask questions about the scrapped content and loads the saved index, retrieves relevant text chunks, combines retrieval with the ChatGrok LLM to generate context-aware answers, display, outputs the answers to the users in the app. Here we can respond it in. Now we can run in the command prompt. This is the interface. Now we can enter website URLs. This is the output of the chat with website using RAG pipeline. Thank you.